Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about Azure Resource Manager. So, what is Azure Resource Manager? Azure Resource Manager is the deployment and management service for Azure. It provides a management layer that enables you to create, update, and delete resource in your Azure account. You use management feature like access control, logs, and tags to secure and organize your resource after deployment. So, what you can do with ARM? You can deploy, update, and delete all the resources in a single coordinated operation. You can manage your infrastructure through declarative templates rather than scripts. You can apply tags, logs. You can control who in your organization can perform action on the resources. In this image, you can see how Azure Resource Manager handle Azure request. When a user send a request from any of the Azure tool APIs, Resource Manager receives the request. It authenticates and authorizes the request. Then Resource Manager sends the request to the Azure service, which takes the requested action. There are few terms which you should know, like resources. Resources are manageable items that are available through Azure. For example, virtual machines, web apps, databases. Resource group. Resource group is a containers that holds related resources for an Azure solution. I have added a separate video on resource group, so I request you to please watch for more information about resource group. Resource provider, a service that supplies Azure resources. For example, Microsoft Compute, which supplies the virtual machine resources. That is called resource provider. Resource manager template, it can be used to deploy the resources consistently and repeatedly. It is a JSON file that defines one or more resources to deploy to a resource group, subscription, or management group. Declarative syntax. In declarative syntax, without writing the sequence of programming commands, it lets you state, here is what I intend to create. So our resource manager templates is an example of this declarative syntax. What is the benefit of Azure Resource Manager? You manage your infrastructure through declarative templates rather than script. You deploy, manage, and monitor all the resources as a group rather than handles individually. Redeploy your solution with confidence that your resources are deployed in a consistent state. You define dependencies between resources so they are deployed in the correct order. You can apply role-based access control to your service. You can apply tags to resources to logically organize all the resources in your subscription. You can clarify your organization billing by viewing cost for a group of resource sharing the same tags. Okay, that is all for this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.